At dawn, the river shines like molten gold. Still waters hide ancient secrets. Beneath the surface, another world awakens. Every ripple carries a fragile movement. Amazon River Dolphin, the pink spirit of the waters. The long beak and gentle eyes tell the story. Elegance flows through every curve of her body. Play is the language of the river spirit. Friendship brightens the stream. Breath unites water and air. Even a flooded forest becomes their highway. The underwater jungle becomes a labyrinth of life. Quick reflexes emerge in the dim light. Precision produces food in murky water. Even branches become toys in the river. Wisdom shimmels in calm eyes. Spirits gather in the calm current. The river swallowed its sinister figure. A leap breaks the silence. Every trace tells a hidden speed. New life depends on the safety of its mother.
For centuries, dolphins have been both guardians and myths.
But the river also brings hunters. Predator waits silently. The spirit senses danger in the current. Speed is the way to survive in a narrow strait. Its body curves like flowing water. The attack shattered the calm. Its body curves like flowing water. The river trembles with the chase. Depth offers safety.
The calf hides in the shadow of the guardian.
Survival is a dance of vigilance. Peace returns to the present. Toughness shines amidst the fading light. This river glows with secrets in the twilight.